Morning students, today I am going to teach you lesson number 2 class 3 parts of a plant. We know there are several parts in a plant and their names are leaf, root, flower, fruit, buds, stem, the parts are fruit, flower, leaf, root, buds and stems, and all the parts have different functions. Now we are discuss one by one about their parts and their functions. First we discuss about the plants. Plants are living things, they have many parts like us. All these parts work together to help the plants live and grow. Now, if you look at the plant, you will find that a part of it remains under the ground. This part is called the root. The other parts of it remains above the ground. This part is called the shoot, that means stem. What is the function of root, or how many kinds of root? There are two types of roots, taproot and fibrous root. First we discuss about the root. The root is the underground part of the plant. There are two main types of roots, taproot and fibrous root. Taproot. In this type of root, one main root grows from the end of the stem. Many small and thin roots grow from the main roots. Plants like mustard, beans and balsam have a taproot, now fibrous root. In this type of root, many roots are bunched together and grow from the end of the stem. Plants like wheat, rice and onion have fibrous roots. Function of the root. What is the function of the root? Roots are very important parts of a plant. They perform various functions, just like the root fix the plant firmly to the ground. Without a root, plant cannot remain from the ground. Root spread out in a soil and hold the plant firmly in the soil. Root absorb water and salt from the soil. Without root, plants cannot be able to take in air and salts. Some roots, such as those of carrot, radish and beetroot, store food in it. We eat this root of such plant. What is the function of shoot? The shoot is the part of a plant that grows above the ground. It bears all the things like branches, buds, fruit, flower, leaf. These parts are bear by the shoot. Now, what is the function of stem? The stem is the backbone of a plant. Big and tall trees have hard and thick stem are called trunks. Banyan and people have thick stem. Herbs, creepers and climbers have a thin and weak stems. What is the function of stem? The stem gives support to the plant. The stem carries water and nutrients from the roots to the leaves. The stem also carries the food made by leaves to all parts of a plant. The stem of some plants such as sugarcane, potato and ginger store food made by the plant. Branches, leaves, buds, flowers and fruits grow on the stem. Now, we are discuss about the leaf. We know the structure of leaf. Petiole, leaf blade, midrib, midrib, and there are several thin networks of leaves in a leaves called veins. And there are very small teeny pores on lips which we can't see with our naked eyes. This is called stomata, and the function of stomata is to exchange the gases from during photosynthesis. When leaves make food for plants, absorb carbon dioxide, and during the process of making food, then plants, that means leaf, release oxygen. Now leaf. The leaf is a part of a plant that grows out of the stem. Observe the leaves. I have leaf blade, midrib. What is the function of leaf? The function of leaf as following. Green leaves are called kitchen of a food factory of a plant because food for the whole plant. Leaves store or make food for the plant. Leaves such as cabbage, spinach, these leaves store food for us. In the green pigment present in the leaves is called chlorophyll. This helps in making food for the plants. Now we have discussed about the fruits, flowers. There are different types of flowers, and their size and colors are different. They are very useful for us because they make our environment beauty and smell. Flowers are also used in various purposes, for offering to God, for wedding purpose, and inauguration purpose, etc. Fruit are also very important for us or in our daily life. Fruit give us vitamins, minerals, which is very important for our body and to fight with diseases. And seeds are very important because from the seed most of the plants grow, and it convert into trees and give us very useful things. Now, in the next class, we are discuss further about the left parts. Thank you.